you ever come across those websites with those quirky little boxes that go like type this to prove you're not a robot, and it's usually something like ABC 123, not exactly brainbusters, right?
Not at all.
Well, here's the cool part. What if I told you there are websites out there willing to pay you a sweet $1 every minute just for cracking those CAPTCHAs? Seriously, right now there are 3 hotshot websites doing just that. And they're looking for folks like you and me, and the best part, it doesn't matter where you're from, you can do this gig right from the comfort of your own home, and guess what? You don't need to be a tech wizard to dive in, all you need is a decent internet connection in either a phone or a computer. Easy peasy, right? Well, let's start off. First, talking about an app and website called CAPTCHA.com. This website is not the highest paying website, but later I will show you one that pays the most, so be sure to stick around because I will be ranking this from the lowest paying website to the highest paying one. In continuation, this is a very good website to get started with. As you can see here, solve CAPTCHAs starting from $1 for 1,000 solved CAPTCHAs. There are a lot of businesses out there that are running on computers, and as we all know, computers can't solve these kinds of CAPTCHAs, but humans can, so they'll need us to figure out the CAPTCHAs for them. You can get paid instantly, and this is very easy to get started with. There are no experiences or special skills needed. Now the next website on our list is called megatypers.com. As you can read it here, easy job, easy money. Earn typer credits worth over $200 every single month by just typing CAPTCHAs. This website is very credible. They have people all over the world who join their website to solve CAPTCHAs. Again, this is only the second highest paying website on our list, but hold on a sec before we dive into the third website, which happens to be the highest paying one. Let me introduce you to something neat. PawnsApp. PawnsApp is all about making some extra cash on a global scale, and it's open to everyone. So what's the deal? Well, you can earn money by taking these quick and snappy surveys. They're seriously short, and you can do as many as you want with each one, putting a crisp dollar right into your pocket. And get this, you can cash out when you hit just $5. Plus you've got choices. You can go for PayPal, Bitcoin, or even gift cards. Oh, and here's the kicker. We're actually partnering up for this video, and they're giving your account a head start with a quick buck just to get the ball rolling. It's super simple to get started. All you got to do is click that first link down below in the description and snag the PawnsApp. From there you can breeze through a couple of surveys where companies are dishing out cash for your thoughts on various stuff that matters to them. It's a win-win. They get your opinion and you get paid. It doesn't matter what age group you fall into or what your interests are. There's a survey for everyone, whether it's finance, pets, tech, or even your political views. So go ahead and hit that first link in the description to kick things off with that extra dollar in your account. And now the highest paying website is called Qorrider.com. As you can see right here, stable job for everyone and everywhere in the world. So this one is also available worldwide. You can also see here that this website has been working and paying its users since 2007. They are very accurate in tracking your progress in payment because they have an accurate statistics system in place. The best part is that they are paying users instantly through different payment options. And if you scroll down, you can find here a lot of people around the world who express their testimonials about this website on how they earn money with it and how convenient to use this website is. You know, if I had to pick out a little downside to using these websites, it'd be that the money you make from them might not be as much as you'd like. I mean, let's face it, we all could use a bit more side